Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix ad card not working on iPhone in iOS 16. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Solution number 1. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap General. On the General page, tap Language and Region, tap Region. Make sure that region is correct. Select correct region. Then go back home page. Solution 2. Open the Safari app on your iPhone. On the Safari page, tap search bar. Enter your Apple Pay status. Tap Go. Tap System Status Support. Tap plus icon. Check your Apple Pay is available or not. Apple Pay is available. Then go back home page. Tap Wallet. Tap plus icon. Check ad card working or not. Thanks for watching this video.